In this video we learn a trick for dealing with situations involving numbers and fractions. So for example, let's say you wanted to simplify 4 times 2 over 3. So we start by writing the number as a fraction, so that would be 4 over 1 times 2 over 3. And then we just proceed as usual when we're trying to multiply two fractions. So we just multiply straight across, so 4 times 2 is 8, and 1 times 3 is 3. And then at the end you should check that this can't be simplified, because sometimes there'll be a common factor for the two numbers, but this is in its simplest form. As another example, let's try doing 1 over 7 divided by 5. So again, we write the number as a fraction, so that would be 5 over 1. And then we just change that to a times, and then we flip the second fraction. So that would be 1 over 7 times 1 over 5. And another way is just to cross multiply. So you would just do 1 times 1 and then 7 times 5. But I just use this approach. And then you would just multiply straight across. So 1 times 1 is 1, 7 times 5 is 35. And that's in its simplest form. And you can use this trick for any kind of similar question. So it doesn't matter what the operation is, it can be plus, minus, times, divide, and so on. It works for any similar problem.